What's up guys, I'm Jonathan, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the behind the back pass. This trick is super simple and you can do it both directions with the same motion. So to get started, we are going to be completely in the vertical plane for this one, and there are two prerequisites you should know. The first one being the 2-beat pass, which is just a reverse vertical 8 and you're passing it on the second beat. And the second one is the forward vertical 8. And when you're ready to put those two together, you're going to start with the forward vertical 8 and you're going to go behind your back and pass it on 2. So 1, 2, pass, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. And you can do the same thing from the other side. 1, 2, 1, 2. And from the back, it'll look like this. Some fun ways to practice the behind the back pass is by doing, I believe it's called the orbit, where you go all the way around your body, and you could do it going both directions. I also really like doing the shoulder rolls because it looks cool, it feels cool, and it keeps the Flowstar moving. So that's how you do the behind the back pass. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.